Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today we have a Bluetooth speaker, MANTA audio, which is premium product quality, type SPK13GO. Is Bluetooth, super bass, and makes about 5-hour working time. Okay, let's go unboxing. Firstly, we'll have a look how this box looks like. It's a small, nice box. This Bluetooth speaker costs between 12 to 15 euro, what I check, and it's got 10 watts, twice 5 watts speakers, 10 watts RMS. It supports MP3, USB, MicroSD up to 32 gigs, AUX, and also got a built-in microphone. It's really got a radio FM as well, and 5-volt DC. It's power in, and that's actually that's it. All tips, instructions, certificate, and additional information you can find on www.manta.com.pl. Yes, that's correct. Okay, why I bought this speaker, or why I buy this speaker? Actually, I don't buy it. I win. First time ever I win something. Okay, and that's mean we now gonna open it. One hand man again, working on unboxing. One sticker. And one more. Here we go. Now open the box. Actually, this box is very nice. I like it. Looks like really premium quality. Okay, and now open the box. Here we go. We got the USB cable for power, standard USB-B cable, audio cable, and speakers. Actually, it looks nice. Okay, that's just manual and that's it. Nothing else. And I'll open it. And we got that for AUX in, USB, memory card, and power. Can we try the switching on?
Bluetooth mode.
Okay. Looks like actually.
Pohodne želá Iveta Michal. Dnes totiž odštartovalo asistované ščítanie.
Okay.
Asistent pomôže obyvateľovi sa ščítať alebo mu poskytne techniku, aby sa...
Okay, that is really loud and looks nice. Why not? I'll use as my speaker for my PC, probably. Why not? And if you like this, just click like and subscribe, and you wanna any review for this, let me know, I'll make it. But I think it's just speaker, nothing else. But I like it, the design. Here you go. See you on my another video.